Yeah, first of all, thank you Evision Technoserve for giving me opportunity for and IT training and believe myself, and I got selected NetConnect Global as a desktop support engineer, and my client company is WPP. I am really happy, and my CTC is 22K month, and I I really happy, and thank you to all Evision teachers and sports support staff, and Sati ma'am also to direction me, and and I really appreciate, and in future the freshers is coming to join Evision Technoserve, and the Evision Technoserve, the direction is really good, and I also thank you